Hello guys, my name is Sagar Naresh and this is my Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350. I just now installed the Dolphin Silencer in my Thunderbird 350 and today I'm going to show you how the sound is when you install it in your Royal Enfield. Previously also I have installed quite a number of silencers in my Thunderbird ranging from the company installed silencer, the Wild Boar silencer, the Indori silencer, the Punjabi silencer. But for now I'm gonna stick with the Dolphin silencer because of its thumping effect when you ride the bike in the city streets. But just before we start, let's take a look how the Thunderbird 350 is gonna look when you install this in your motorcycle. Now without wasting any time, let's get the sound of this Dolphin Silencer in your Thunderbird 350.